meghalayapost.news.
James K. Sangma, National Vice President Jongka National People's Party NPP, baru wadairu Menteri Sorkar Barim Jongka Jela, mentaka sengiula lej Thep Kyrteng iladi nakamta banyakun yak Ilekshon Rajya Sabha Jela Meghalaya. Hagani ke sengila Wan Synran do Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Ukonrat K. Sangma, ki Menteri Sorkar ke Jela, bekentup yuba Sanbor Sulai, baru Marcus and Marang, nalor kiwi ki MLA ki badan hak Sorkar MDA. Haba ajung keren hadian bala pendep yak jeng Thep Kyrteng ha Assembly Sekretarian, James K. Sangma ulapan pa yak jeng sengu syaki padba ke Jela, Menteri Rangba, ki sembut Menteri Rangba, ki Menteri Sorkar, bat baro ki MLA nakaseng UDP, HSPDP, BJP, baru iki MLA Shimet ki bala kershan yak jenglong kertong gajong u hagani ke Ilekshon Rajya Sabha. Ulong baki sian jam ki baun shim hakman lada unyo yak jingjom kinlong baun budien bat pai kmat yakimat ki jura ki badang sateng ki bakum ke Jela ka don kam nakabenta ban ya syakmat syakalawai.
Well, we have to still wait till the end of day. Today is the last date of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which is does not have any contest, and thereby I will be collectively representing the entire state. This is a decision collectively made by the MDA too, and all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged to be unanimously selected by the MDA too. And as I've been saying, that me as a person who is here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me. And similarly, today the MDA too has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA too, and I look forward to carrying out the responsibility.
Sir,
Well, that's very early in the day, I would say, because the elections are still a good 2 years away, and again, elections is also based on the needs and the demands of the people. So we will assess that situation and then we'll accordingly see. It's too early in the day to respond.
so your nomination doesn't mean that you will not come back to state politics. Assembly elections are 2 years away.
The term of the member of Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So I do not intend to come back
State politics.
then to complete this term. It would be very, very unfortunate for anyone to go there and then abruptly just come back. See, of course, consensus basically means that after discussion, whatever differences there may have been, it's always a matter of coming together and discussing whatever issues there are, and then coming to a unanimous decision. So the consensus comes from the fact that there was discussion, and finally all the alliance partners decided to forward my name.
meghalayapost.news.